All right, guys, it's finally here. It's finally time. We just unloaded the first 2022 model Husqvarnas off the truck. No KTMs yet. We're gonna pop the top on these Huskies. We've got TC 125, FC 350s, FC 250s. But first, let's pop the top on this TC 125 and see what these 2022 model graphics and plastics and seat look like. Bailey's gonna do us the honors. He's got golden locks flowing. Oh! These things are always super clean. You can see a peek of the shroud right there. Got a little highlighter yellow in it. Mostly a blue frame, blue seat. Yep, looks a lot like last year. Obviously there's not been a generational change or anything like that. Wasn't really any changes done to the bike. We'll go over any changes that might have been done in the walk around after we get the bike together, but for now let's get the rest of this cardboard off and get a good look at it. All right, guys, here we go. Got the cardboard off, got a little bit of a better look here. Super clean, super crisp, exactly what we expect from Husqvarna. I like the blue fork guards and the graphics there. Looks really good. As you guys know, when these things come in the crate, got the front wheel back here. We pretty much got to mount up the handlebars, get it up on a stand, put the front wheel on, then we've got it rolling. There's some other stuff we have to put on, pegs, just pretty much little stuff. There's the front fenders up side to the back. But, all right, let's see if we can get this thing assembled and get yet another good look at it. All right, guys, here it is. The 2022 Husqvarna TC 125, and it's pretty much the same as usual with these Huskies. It's obviously not a new generation, so it's the same plastic look, and they look clean, they look crisp. The only differences in look you're going to get this year are the blue fork guards and slightly different styling, slightly different color scheme and graphics. Man, they're definitely clean looking. They changed this, which would have been gray on the old Huskies, is now white. So they definitely look sharp. Now, the only other change that I know of, besides fork guard color, plastic color here, and the overall graphic scheme for 2022, is the clutch. A lot of the Huskies had the Magura clutch for a long time, and now they are all Brembo. So nothing Magura on the bike at all. Not sure why that is, not sure if they had issues with them, but they chose to go. They started with they did the Brembo on the FC Rockstar Edition 450. And now they've obviously just decided to do it on all the motocrossers. So, sweet bike though. It's you know, one of the last bikes that's not electric start, but very cool. Got the Pro Taper bars, super clean. And the way the bike kind of sits right here, you kind of have the yellow line. I was in a hurry to put this one together, so normally the you know, this graphic is all embossed, so there's no sticker, but normally the only sticker would go right here and would say TC 125. I'm not sure if there was a shortage of those, or if it's in there and it's in the owner's manual or something and I didn't see it. So I'm going to check on that, but that's where the model number will be, right there. Yeah, it looks clean, looks good. This one's actually already sold, guys, but if you're interested in one of these this year, you better get either here to AOMC or to your local dealer and put a deposit down, because I've got a feeling there's going to be a shortage of 125 and 252 stroke motocrossers this year, just like there was last year. Such a demand for these things, they're just hard to find. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Since all of the motocross models look the same, I'm not going to be doing an unboxing video on all of them, but I will be doing a walk around video of each one, letting you know any changes that were made to the bike. So definitely looks sharp, and I'll see you guys in the next walk around video for the FC 250 or 350. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.